This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, green bean almondine. Thanksgiving traditions. Turns out I do certain things because it's been a family tradition, no other reason. For example, I do not love turkey, but every year, most years, I've roasted a turkey for Thanksgiving. When my in-laws were alive, we also had a turkey for Christmas Eve, which was way more than enough turkey for this girl. I roast a very good tasty bird. It's never dry, always delicious. And if you like turkey, it's phenomenal. Even if you don't, it doesn't suck. But it turns out, there's not one member of my nuclear family that loves turkey. Go figure. Green beans, on the other hand. I don't know very many people, if any, that don't like green beans. I know a lot of people that don't like broccoli or cauliflower or squash. But most people like green beans. They are a very versatile vegetable with so many ways to prepare them that are delicious and nutritious. Here's one of my favorites. Try it and let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Happy birthday!